A U.S. task force is recommending screening adults for depression and anxiety disorders.
CBS 13's Dina Kupfer spoke with a therapist about what it means for your next doctor's visit.
We're prioritizing mental health.
Call it mental health preventative care. For the first time, the U.S. Preventative Services Task Force is recommending screening for depression in adults, including pregnant and postpartum women. The task force is a group of independent medical experts whose recommendations help guide doctors' decisions and influence insurance plans. Their recommendation applies to adults 19 years and up who do not have a diagnosed mental health disorder or recognizable signs or symptoms of depression.
So we know that anxiety, depression, loneliness, stress, burnout, all of those things have increased. So I think this is a reflection of that.
We spoke with therapist Juliette Kuhnle, who believes this is a huge step forward in destigmatizing mental health.
The fact that the conversation has shifted about mental health since the pandemic, since we all went through that collective trauma together, this shows that someone's listening.
Screenings could happen during primary care visits and might include patient health questionnaires, diving into a patient's family history of depression, disease, or illness, and prior trauma or adverse life events.
It's just a screening, so it's not necessarily diagnosing anyone, but it's maybe catching some of those things on the front end that can then, turn into something bigger.
Those who screen positive would be evaluated further. The CDC reports in 2021, suicide was the second leading cause of death for people ages 10 to 14 and 20 to 34. 83% of individuals who die by suicide were seen in primary care in the previous year. These screenings could potentially be the first step in catching major depressive disorder or perinatal depression.
It's foundational. So just like we take care of our physical health and we go to our annual visits, we need to be tending to our mental health because we all have it.
Mental Health Monday is brought to you by CalHope. Visit calhope.org for free mental health help today.